I've been inclined.
Welcome back to CIO Insight here on thepulsenetwork.com. I am Tyler Popper. Big thanks to all of our guests today here on the show. Really a pleasure talking to every single one of them. But you know what? We have to move on. We have to kind of wrap up the show for you. So we're going to go ahead and talk about, well, what's coming up in CIO Insight as well as eWeek this week, or not this week, but in the coming weeks, I should say.
In the world in general, Tyler. You know, I like to try to highlight a couple things, and one that we're both going to be at.
Yep, absolutely.
Is the
Inbound Marketing Summit Boston 2011, coming up September 14th to 15th.
Well, you know more about it than I do.
I have said that more times than anybody can ever even imagine.
But it seems like a really good lineup of speakers. You know, sort of an extension of what you've been doing in the past, but an expansion in terms of you got some good people coming in. It's going to be a very active conference.
I tell you what, Eric, we've actually been running a little thing here on the Pulse Network called Spotlight on IMS, and I myself have gotten the opportunity to we'll kind of interview and talk with some of the people that are going to be at Inbound Marketing Summit Boston. You know, it's only getting me more excited, so I'm anxious for it, to say the least.
Okay, so there's that one. CTIA in San Diego, the Enterprise and Applications Conference in October 10th to the 13th. I like to talk about that one because I'm speaking at it. I'm running a little mini conference, so people should, if you're in San Diego, beautiful place to go, and you want to learn a bit about these enterprise applications we're talking about, that is a good opportunity to do that. Yeah. And then finally, at the Ziff Davis, we have these series of digital universities. Been very useful. We have one coming up in September. Trying to fix the date right now, but looking at the infrastructure issues. You know, we talk a lot about cloud computing, new applications, how to go about building an infrastructure that's going to really allow you to create these new applications.
Excellent. Really cool stuff. Eric Lundquist, Ziff Davis Enterprise. Eric, it's always a pleasure. Good stuff.
It was fun, Tyler.
Excellent. Absolutely. So, guys, that'll do it for us here on CIO Insight. Big thanks to all of our guests here on the show today. Remember, if you missed it live, you can check us out on demand. Just click around below. You'll be able to see everything there that you may have missed. And I promise you'll love every single one of those interviews. So I am Tyler Piper, and you are watching the Pulse Network, and this has been CIO Insight. Isn't the right